I didn't have anything to give them also. Oh, they are very clean.
Hey,
You know? Oh, that's the. My goodness, no, don't. Hello. Cute boy. Hello. Give me one. Oh, this one. Oh, he's a boy. ये तो लड़का है. Oh, बहुत खतरनाक है ये तो. खतरनाक है ये तो. Hello.
Don't do that.
Hello. चलो.
अरे भाई. बहुत सारे दे दे. कम. माझ्याकडे ती.
This is the Elephanta cave. So guys, now we're going to enter the cave.
Yo guys, what's up? We are back at Elephanta caves now.
Wow!
So, I don't know much about history, nor do I want to invest my money in tour guide, but whatever we see is going to be amazing.
Wow!
Because I am the guide.
Okay, so let's go.
I don't know anything.
I think they are allowed.
First things first, keep silence, maintain.
Sanctity of the moon.
Thank you.
Chalo. Go. Keep going.
All they say is one day is very hard right now.
No video? Guys, this is the inside of the Elephanta cave.
रात का टाइम पे भी टूटा दिया ना हेलो अटैक बहुत बार अपने आप खराब होता है क्या मूर्तियाँ नहीं बना
ये ले भाई, थैंक यू तो बोलो. आए
ये देखो और आ गए.
ओ
कितना प्यासा लगा.
बस खत्म. और चाहिए क्या? अब भाई और चाहिए क्या? खत्म खत्म, बस 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 खत्म खत्म.
Very beautiful. It was a fabulous day, guys. I cannot believe my eyes what I saw. I will of course link it. I will of course add the attachment after this video. But so beautiful. Oh my god.
Really?
Okay, bye.
Are you tired?
No, I'm not. I'm full of energy.
Oh my god. Let's go back.
No.